going to talk about the things them, talk about some liquor something. So, I realize that nowadays men are very, very conscious about women playing with toys and dildos and vibrators and all that stuff. Okay? Okay. Then getting their feelings regularly because of it. But anyway, we'll talk about it. That's what we're about to talk about. So let's get into it. Alright? Alright. So nowadays me realize say the man them, especially Jamaican man, them have a big issue when woman use dildo or vibrator. Well, I'm not gonna say all Jamaican man, but enough of you out there. You know on yourself. You know what they go on. Okay? Enough of you out there feel like say when a woman use them dildo or them vibrator, then they try replace man and then they try say they don't want no man and hi, hello. Hi. Excuse me. First of all, you're not getting my pum pum. Okay? If you know at my standard or at my level or you can comply to my needs and desires and what I want to do. Feel me pum pum. Okay? So if you don't have a job and if you're not up to par with my standards, then me or use me dildo, me or use me vibrator, me or use anything me want to use and replace your blood clot. Okay? Okay. Me talk to you. Hello? When one woman use one vibrator, you see, it's not because she want to use vibrator or she don't want some skin to skin action. Hi, hello. If you're younger than 18 years old, please exit the video because it's about to get real up in here. It's not that we as women don't want some rough, good loving, some good sex with my man and say yes, I feel me man this and it's not that we don't want that. But when it come on to man nowadays, them want to do all sort of freakiness. I don't know, every woman in the freakiness. So you know what? Me just stay in my house and use my dildo, my vibrator and pleasure myself. Because me sure say me not catch no STD, me not catch no HIV, and me not have to worry about no nigga within the daughter road, okay? So when the woman them they use them vibrator and them dildo, make them use it. Because you know incapable of staying faithful and they with one pum pum. So if you no care, they with one number pum pum. Okay? Okay? Please exit stage left out of the woman them life. That's all me have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'm out of this.